This is going to be the first test demonstration of the motor for the RCA card into a bolt. I want to remind everybody that the point of the projects is to take something broken, use junk, garbage pieces around your house to make it. It's not supposed to have money spent on it. It's just supposed to create with your mind, I guess. But here is the test of forwards and backwards with the drive shaft motor process. And I do have little turning things, but I don't have the paddles made. I'm going to make flat runners and see how that goes. But here is the bolt, and here is forward. That's backwards. Definitely needs to be able to steer. I don't know if there's any water in it, but the backwards works, and I am pushing backwards to go backwards, and I'm pushing forwards to go forwards. Oh, there's some water in there. I bet you it's getting in from the back because it's sinking it. But we'll just have to make a little extra floater. But I made a new antenna. This car, when I tore it apart, had this glued to the roof for an antenna, and it actually got the best reception on a lot of remote control cars that I've ever used. So I just took a house wire, usually have a little screw with a ground type thing, so I just kind of made it stiff, and underneath there is the drive shaft, my propeller, and it's just made out of those 3 cars that I showed you at the beginning of everything, with the little extras. Those are Play-Doh caps in the front, blah blah blah. But as you can see, if you pay attention to the bolts, those move back and forth. Well, that's what's going to give me my steering capabilities when I make my rudders when we go. But right now, as we stand, it's getting water in there from going, and that's just going to put more weight on there. So we're going to have to see what happens. Thank you, and that is my demonstration for phase 1 of, I guess, transfer case building. I don't know, frontwards, backwards, blah blah blah. Hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks. Call it heftotizing. Have fun.